I wanted to take a second, if that's possible, with me, just to introduce not only our prototype, the 3G Deluxe. I've been putting, posting pictures out, but I wanted to also just talk a little bit about our process and how this goes from a sketch into the computer with those sketched out ideas, and then the prototyping begins, and it's quite a process. We are taking this our same patent neck joint and putting it into a set neck. So once the clamps come off, you get the same benefits that you would once you bolt using a bolt-on concept as well, because there's just more surface area making contact, because in any square block pocket, the sides, there's no contact. There's glue possibly, but there's no contact between the wood if you look close enough. And we definitely have. I'm so proud of this. There's so many little changes. And look, you see everything that we come up with. See this? I'm extending. Once we took it off the table, I realized, nope, have to extend the comfort cut. And then here, of course, this is all a process. This is going to be just super ergonomic and fast. Our whole thing is performance as well as the aesthetic. So ergonomics is everything. See, I got really stoked. Love it. Music notes, because I'm so happy about this guitar. Continue the panel. Why have half a panel when you can have a full panel? And then the hardware is actually going to be recessed into the body. The one cool thing, once again, it's all about performance here. We make race cars, and that's sort of the metaphor, is the bridges, the whole profile is going to sit lower than a stock Gibson profile. And so that makes them much more cumbersome. So we get the hardware down like on a Strat style. And this, of course, will be the tone guard that will be recessed into the body. And as we know, we have the neck tenon extended all the way through. It comes up and touches the tone guard, activating it like an acoustic guitar. You've got your 3G patented neck joint going all the way down to the center of the body, and the sustain is ridiculous. It literally will just ring and ring, and of course it's unfinished, but I've played tons of unfinished guitars, and the first thing I got really excited about was the sustain. Even at the high frets, the note just rings, the body resonates, and that's all because of the neck joint design. And I'm really excited about this. I'm going to share more as well. This is actually going back in, and we're going to do something really fun here. It's going to be, all mahogany. Keep those traditional sounds going, but also we're going to do a maple stringer down the neck, which I think will actually add to some sustain and resonance, and then mahogany on the side. So there it is, the prototype 3G Deluxe, and how we actually prototype at 3G Guitars. So I'll keep you posted, and very excited about this guitar.